Before you scroll past this, SurferSEO's Black Friday deal just dropped, and I'm literally watching my content climb Google rankings in real time. Seriously, click that link in the description below because this deal won't last long, and I'm about to show you exactly why this tool is a game changer. So here's the thing about SEO. We've all been there, right? You spend hours crafting what you think is the perfect blog post, hit publish, and then crickets. Google basically pretends your content doesn't exist. Well, SurferSEO is like having Google's secret recipe book. This AI-powered platform literally analyzes the top-ranking pages for your target keywords and tells you exactly what to include in your content. It's like having an SEO crystal ball that says, hey, add this keyword here, make this section longer, and boom, you'll outrank your competition. The content editor is honestly mind-blowing. It gives you real-time suggestions as you write, showing you keyword density, content structure, even how many images to include. It's like having an SEO expert looking over your shoulder, but way less annoying. And here's where it gets really good. Their SERP Analyzer breaks down exactly why your competitors are ranking. No more guessing games. You can see their strategies and beat them at their own game. Now, normally this costs anywhere from $49 to $199 a month. But with this Black Friday deal, you're looking at serious savings. Whether you're running an agency, managing e-commerce, or just trying to get your blog noticed, this is the tool that'll actually move the needle. Don't sleep on this. The description below and grab your SurferSEO Black Friday discount before it disappears. Your future Google rankings will thank you.